So today we quickly try to understand the object-oriented concept which we are almost every day leveraging in our Apex programming language. So Apex is object-oriented programming language, so it used to leverage all the object-oriented concept. For example, encapsulation. So when you say encapsulation, that means your properties and methods you are putting inside a class. You are not just freely putting here and there. Okay, so class here is a blueprint and serve as a encapsulated object. So you create an object from that, then you can leverage the properties and method out of it. Similarly, inheritance, the way we inherit our properties from our parents. Similarly, a class can extend another class and inherit its properties and methods. And there is another way of inheritance is class implementing interfaces. For example, batchable, queuable interfaces. Those are also part of inheritance. Similarly, method overriding and method overloading. So when you say method overriding, if you are having your parent class is having an abstract method, and when you are extending and you are implementing that method inside your class, then it is called method overriding. Method overloading means there are two or more than two methods with same name but different parameters. Either those parameters are different in terms of number of parameter or types of parameter. For example, let's say calculate salary. So in that calculate salary, it may accept a employee ID and then calculate the salary, or it may accept a employee name and date of birth and then calculate the salary. So this is called method overloading, when more than two methods having same name but different parameters, or like number of parameters or types of parameters. Similarly, there is something called polymorphism. Polymorphism means, for example, just take an example, a polymorphic object activity which can accept a object of a event or a object of a task. So at the runtime, so it's a dynamic polymorphism. So polymorphism is also one of them. So similarly, there are other object-oriented concepts which are used, in our Apex programming language. I encourage all the new developers to learn those things, because these are the basic things. If you don't know, then you are lagging behind somewhere. So it is very important to know or to understand the concept of object-oriented programming before we try to write our Apex class directly. Okay, so Apex is something which exists since 2010 or before, but still not changed.